What's up, bitches? JT does it for me.
Justin Timberlake? Do guys get butterflies?
Yeah, I got too many when I was first with you.
Aww. I have to start the video.
Okay.
I feel so
She acts
awkward.
like she hasn't done it before.
No?
She acts like she
Like
hasn't
new
done
to
it
her.
before. Yeah.
Say, both of you say hi. Introduce yourselves.
What's up, bitches?
Oh my god, he's being cocky right now.
Hmm?
You're feeling cocky, aren't you?
No, I'm good.
Okay, introduce yourselves.
What,
Okay,
like
I'll-
back in like
I'll
first grade?
introduce you.
Hi, my name is Sean and I like dogs.
Hey guys! Today's video, I'm gonna be asking my dad and my boyfriend questions girls are too afraid to ask, like men, guys, boys in general, or dads or boyfriends. So we're gonna just get right into the questions. Question is, do you prefer you look stressed.
No, I'm just.
Do you like prefer boobs or butt more on a girl, on your girl?
Everybody knows I'm a butt man.
But
Why? Why do all men choose butt? What's the big fascination with butts? They're butts.
play with it a lot more.
Why? Because I have nothing going on here.
No.
Me, my daughter and her boyfriend talking about ass and stuff in front of me.
Yeah. Okay, whatever. Next question.
I didn't answer.
Oh, why do you? Yeah, what's wrong with the butt? The booty. That's it. Period. Is that your answer? Okay.
Yeah.
Does body hair down there matter?
No.
Hair down there.
They're down there.
Does it matter?
No.
Or is it a turn off? Like, does it like, ooh?
Does it matter to what extent? Hip bone to hip bone? It matters to me.
Well, yeah, but
I ain't trying to.
So it doesn't matter if it's a little like scruffy?
Yeah, a little bit.
a little scratch don't hurt.
Again, very awkward in front of dad.
Why are like guys always adjusting their junk?
Junk is meant to hang in one direction.
Yeah. Yeah,
Once to the left,
sometimes,
to the left.
sometimes it's on the wrong side.
Is yours, which one's your cup?
What?
Which way does yours sit?
Why do they have to know which way it's
Yeah, I already said to the left.
to the left?
To the left.
Yeah,
Yours
mine
is to
sits.
the
All right-handed guys are to the left.
Do you guys ever find other guys attractive?
What do you mean?
Like, do you ever see a dude and you're like, that's an attractive man?
Well, not
There's some
in
good-looking
terms
guys.
of like a girl, but yeah, there's good-looking guys. Yeah.
I ain't trying to chub up over him, but he's good
High
looking.
five, y'all are
Chub
not. Y'all
Chub up.
don't.
I ain't trying to chub up over him, but
Y'all don't have-
JT does it for me.
Justin Timberlake?
I'm bringing sexy back.
Who's your man crush?
I don't know.
I have like a celebrity man crush.
No, I ain't.
This is Justin Timberlake.
Throw it up. That's sexy as hell.
Oh my god.
You don't have one?
No,
you
I don't have
You're
none.
not like into like...
Into him?
Yeah, have you ever been into
Are
him?
you into Justin
No.
Timberlake?
So according to Google, guys think about sex 19 times a day. Is that true?
Probably more.
That's short.
Well, today was like 40.
Like, good to know.
Awkward again.
Oh.
God. Some of these are so awkward. How many minutes should sex last?
Huh? How many minutes should it last? Well, it all depends when you're doing it.
Yeah,
If you
it can be a quickie. It can be a.
What's the longest though? It like would, should.
I don't want to hear this crap all 3 hours. Ain't nobody wants
Oh,
to
no.
bang no 2 hours or something.
No, it don't need to be longer than an hour.
Yeah.
That's long.
I'm just saying it don't need to be longer than
If it's
45
longer than
to
a
an hour
commercial
at
between your TV shows, it's too long.
all. Yeah, if you guys
2 minutes and 30 seconds.
about 2 minutes.
So really quickly, I want to talk about the Pill Club, which is a birth control subscription service. It's the easiest, most convenient and discreet way to get your birth control and healthcare needs as a woman. It is birth control prescribed by a medical professional and delivered right to your door for free. The Pill Club carries over 120 FDA-approved birth controls. And most brands of birth control are free with Medicaid or insurance. But if you don't have insurance, prices start as low as $7 a month. And they deliver the birth control to your door free with discreet packaging. The Pill Club has made it so easy for me to get birth control discreetly, easily, and with no inconveniences by going to the doctor and going through so much I don't have to go through and don't have time for. And right now, if you go to thepillclub.com/Messler, the Pill Club is offering a $10 donation to bedsider.org for every one of you who become a patient. Your donation will help low-income individuals get access to birth control through bedsider.org. That's thepillclub.com/Messler to get your first birth control care package and to donate to women in need of affordable birth control. I'll have the link in the description box below, but if you are in need of birth control, I would definitely check out the Pill Club, and you can donate to help other women in need. So it's really just a great deal, and you should definitely go check it out. And yeah. Can guys and girls just be friends?
No.
No.
Do you care what a girl wears, like your wife or your girlfriend?
Elaborate more. Cares what she
Like,
what
do
she
you care
wears.
like what she wears? Do you care if she goes out in something like, not skimpy, but like, you know,
No.
showier?
She always looks
No.
good. It don't matter to me.
Don't matter.
Like some guys are like, she can't wear leggings, or she
No,
shouldn't be
no.
wearing a shirt cut that
Wear
low.
whatever you want.
Rock it out. Yeah, yeah.
Or like, what if
Little
she,
celebration.
makeup or no makeup?
Makeup.
It don't matter, but yeah, either one.
Yeah, I don't hate on either
It don't
one.
matter.
It's like,
But
it probably depends on what you're doing.
I
Like,
can
if
put
you're
together.
going out and about, I would say makeup, and if you're not,
Yeah.
or like your vibe, like if you're like ready for the day, like going to the mall.
yeah, putting it
put some
on and then
makeup on,
yeah.
But it don't matter. I'm not gonna be like, go put makeup
No,
on.
no.
Yeah.
Gorgeous either way. It don't matter to me.
Do you like a girl that's more high maintenance or more like chilled? As in high maintenance, I'm talking about, you know, they want to do their makeup, hair, nails. They want, you know,
Yeah.
maybe one day they want a little.
Yeah, I like them to want to be taken care of.
Yeah.
yeah.
I mean, I don't think people take high maintenance and are like, ugh, she's high maintenance.
Well, they don't want to put in the effort.
The money. Guys get butterflies.
Yeah, I got too many when I was first with you.
Aww.
yeah.
be taken
He's the only one that can
multiple
stare
ways.
at me and make me crazy. Yeah.
Does like getting along with their family, like the in-laws, matter to you?
Yes.
Did we just become best friends?
Yes. You
Big
got-
key.
Yeah, you gotta like the fam.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Even
you like-
even Nana and Papa too.
Oh yeah. How can you not like her?
Do you like my fam?
Of course. That's my best friend.
Aww. That's all the questions I got. That's it for today's video.
Deuces.
See ya.
How do you hit this?
Oh, you're just stopping it?
Oh.
Don't forget to like, wait, you say like and you say subscribe.
All right.
Don't forget to,
Like,
And subscribe. Again.
don't forget to,
like,
And subscribe.
Don't.
Oh god.
that's it.
subscribe.
Cover the
Such an
camera,
awkward
Brad.
word. Subscribe.
Cover,
Like
no,
and
no, no,
subscribe.
no, cover the camera.
Wait.
Okay, now turn it off.